the IT and AI. So I'm the last speaker for the day. So for me, nothing is left. I think everything is spoken. I'm just following since the morning. But I think two things are very important. One is that we just listened to the last session regarding the explainability of the hallucinations. So what happens generally, the philosophy of the AI is that if you ask anything, it will reply. It never say no. But sometime what happened, it will try to create something and tell by himself or herself, you can say, and then you will be seeing on the screen. The worst example is that in the this American case, the last election of the current president, the Cambridge case, where they use Facebook for changing the mindset of the voters, and also it was caught that they were misusing, and also this case was filed. The Michael Cohen was arguing in the American Supreme Court. He cited 3 cases, and those 3 cases was never in the history of the humankind. And judge was shocked. What are these 3 cases? These were taken from ChatGPT by hallucinations. So there are a lot of questions that what extent we can use AI, whether we should try to grow with the AI, try to use the AI. So smartest thing is that we should not always rely on AI. We always try to use our brain, and then we can take the AI as an empowerment tool. So, and thank to God, right now the AI is just very initial stage. Now next is that we'll try to come with the stage of human intelligence, and the worst condition will be that it will cross the human being, become the super intelligent. In that time, I don't know how we are going to control, because till now in the initial stage we cannot regulate the AI. How we will regulate the AI when it will become super intelligent? Because of the machine learning, try to generate something by own, and it may become very positive, try to do a lot of innovations, we cannot think. And also it may try to do a lot of crimes, and then who will be the level for all those crimes? It may try to have new ways of doing crimes, new ways of stealing data, and new ways of actually guiding. We should be very careful that to what extent we can use the AI. And then now the current philosophy is that only a human being can be the owner of the AI. Okay? So only human being can be the owner of any IP. AI cannot be the owner. But the way AI is growing, if you see, a lot of designs are so great that it cannot be possible by human being. So in those conditions, why we are denying the AI some rights, and keeping in mind the entire philosophy of the IP, that IP is for maintaining the social benefits as well as trying to give return to the inventor, so he can get motivated and go on inventing some new things. This way, I think what I suggest, there will be a balanced model for the ownership, that the person who was involved, who was actually using the AI for empowerment tool, he must be given certain benefits because he is using it time, energy and money. At the same time, because AI was involved, so that partial money can be kept in public fund. Those funds can be used for promotion of innovations and development. This way, I think we can use some model that we can also sustain in the world, because this will be trying to provide the social benefit, because nobody can create every 100%, because that's why all the AIs are time bound. If your traditional property, it is perpetual succession, you can go on continue, but if you are having an AI, it will always expire. Patent 20 years, copyright life 60 years, software 20 years, design then again 20 years, trademark, everything you have to go on to renew the trademarks. If you don't renew, if policing happening, you will be losing trademark, there will be genericide of trademarks. So this shows that every IPR are time bound. Why time bound? Because you cannot create 100%, then how you can try to own 100%? This way, I think we can find out certain methods of giving the person who is involved using AI for creation of something, he should get some rights, and some portion can be kept in public fund that can be used for R&D purposes. This way, I think we can have some model, we can regulate the AI. Now the bigger question is that by 2040, we are going to see that quantum AI. Now the quantum AI is very, very serious, because what we cannot solve in 1 day, 1000 years, it will solve in 1 day. So thank God, because it will solve all the complex problems of outer space, air space, or all those disease We have right now 1100 diseases, we don't have medicine. Anybody can tell me from pharma industry? Why? Because of, what is the reasons? For 1100 disease, we cannot get a medicine. Any idea? Why? We can challenge the government, all governments. Because somebody will suffer from those disease, he has to die. Because nobody tried to develop the medicine. Any idea why? Because all the pharma industry, they go for the profit. They will only create those medicines where there is a market. Some patients should be there. We have seen the coronavirus. We expanded so much infrastructure. We thought it will continue, and the one moment it has gone. And India has to export 7 crore injection to the foreign country. And it was going to expire. Thanks to our government, I think they got name and fame, and also they saved the money. So this way, I think the issue is that how to use, where to use, what to do. So those problems will be solved one day, what cannot solve right now in 1000 years. In those situations, what will happen, because the quantum AI, what it will do, it will be a serious problem of the cyber security. Because one thing is that it will try to crack all the passwords. Because currently our the security system is that on PKI model, private key, public key. Anybody have the subsequent public key, it may decrypt information you can see. So we are very happy right now of our, the one way is that, because if you use the AI, at least copyright patent is very challenging, but you can use trade secrets. You don't disclose. Up to what extent you use the AI for innovation, you keep secret, nobody knows. Nobody is challenging you. The challenge will be there, we will go to market for copyright purpose or for patent purpose. But what will happen, because of generative AI, because of the quantum AI, it will crack all the possible cyber security passwords. So current model of security is that there is a branch of the cyber security in the mathematical sciences or as a technology that is trying to provide security. But the quantum AI, what will do, we require quantum safe cyber security. And IBM is very strongly working in USA. By 2040, it may become public. It may allow to use to public purpose. Public can use. In those situations, what will happen? All the information kept in the IPR offices, all the information kept as the trade secrets, it may be revealed. In those situations, how we are going to enjoy our investment? Because you just have 2 years gone and you invested $1 billion to get the solution, it has gone to public. You cannot get return from the market. In going forward, there will be very serious problems, and then we require very strong technical solutions as well as legal solutions. Till now, nobody can provide proper regulation of the AI. Only European Union has given a very elementary kind of regulation. In some states in America, they have some regulations. India has just enabling kind of the policy. Globally, there is no very strong regulation. Then my question is that in next 15-20 years, it will be very, very challenging time for technical experts and lawyers. In those situations, we have to try to do a lot of research and find viable solutions. So I thank the organizer and talking about AI and IP, one of the very advanced area. And we have seen in the morning, we have discussed a lot. So thank you all of you. And you kept on listening, sitting till the last lecture. Wish you all the best. Thank you all of you.